Welcome to MangoTree Learning Hub channel. Today, we're diving into the art of expanding your vocabulary skills. Imagine expressing yourself more clearly, understanding more of what you read, and enhancing your communication both professionally and personally. That's the power of a rich vocabulary. But where do you start? Here are some practical strategies to enhance your word bank. First, read actively. Whether it's novels, newspapers, or blogs, reading exposes you to new words in context, aiding understanding. When you encounter a challenging word, don't skip over it. Instead, take a moment to look it up and consider how it fits within the sentence. This reinforces your learning and makes the word easier to recall later. Another great practice is to keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new and interesting words along with their meanings. Try using them in a sentence or two. This helps commit them to memory and gives you a handy reference guide to review later. Consistency is key, so make it a daily habit. Playing word games is another fun way to develop your language skills. Crosswords, word puzzles, and apps like Scrabble or Wordscapes challenge your brain while introducing you to obscure or forgotten words. It's learning disguised as entertainment. Listening to podcasts or watching videos in different domains can also broaden your vocabulary. Notice how experts articulate their ideas and the terminology they use. These platforms can introduce you to industry-specific jargon that might not be found in books. Don't underestimate the power of conversation. Engage with others in discussion, and don't hesitate to ask about the meanings of unfamiliar words. Often, people are happy to share their knowledge, and this interaction can provide insights into word usage and pronunciation. Finally, set realistic goals. Building a robust vocabulary doesn't happen overnight. Aim to learn a few new words each week and gradually incorporate them into your everyday language. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in both your understanding of complex texts and your expressive abilities. Remember, growing your vocabulary is not just about memorizing words, it's about enhancing comprehension and communication. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.